A retaining wall is mostly made out of a retaining wall block because the companies that manufacture that are pretty common. You can get blocks at Home Depot or other hardware stores these days. In the Northwest, it's very common to use a natural stone because we can get them out of the quarry. And so we can build these really beefy, strong retaining walls that look really beautiful because they're made out of natural stone for an affordable price. So here, very common to make out of Rockery. Of course, the conventional block, the manufactured sectional block, we'll use that. Sometimes concrete companies will make big, huge concrete blocks. They're called eco blocks or other types of sectional blocks. We've done them out of those, especially in tight areas and in the more modern type installation. They might do poured concrete retaining walls. And so that has a real clean, modern, industrial look. Wooden retaining walls are sometimes needed if you're going to do like a piling system where you drive these big I-beams in the ground and stack up the beams, or in super hard to reach places and you don't want to add all that extra weight. Sometimes a wooden retaining wall, that's only about, 5 or less % of the time we're doing wooden retaining walls.